Too busy to get everything done? Let's fix that. Here are 3 AI tools that can automate up to 90% of your daily workflow. 1. Notion AI. For note-taking, task breakdowns, meeting summaries, and content outlines. It's your second brain, but turbocharged. Use it to organize, generate, and summarize everything. 2. Taskade AI. Your personal productivity assistant. It helps plan your day, break big goals into tiny steps, and assign smart deadlines. You talk, it builds the plan. 3. Zapier plus ChatGPT. Use Zapier to connect ChatGPT with email, calendar, Google Docs, Trello, Slack, you name it. Set up automations like auto-replies, smart summaries, AI-generated reports. Conclusion: you don't need to do it all manually anymore. Let AI handle the repeat tasks, so you can focus on growth, creativity, or just breathing a little easier. If this saved you time, hit that like button. Subscribe for more daily AI hacks. Your future self will thank you.